Ibandla likamoya actually, as we all know, ukuthi alilidwa ngama administrators. That is why eBhayibhelini ngeke uthole ndawo ukuthi kukhona lapho khona ibandla kaNkuluNkulu lake lalidwa ngama administrators, committees. Abantu abagudu kwi-administration ba replace ugcobo lobupostoli nobuprofeti lithi iBhayibheli sakhiwe phezu kwesekelo sabapostoli nasabaprofeti, not administrators. Now apostles and prophets bring the revelation and power that create breakthrough within the church. Kuba khona movement ebandleni. They are empowered by God with the anointing for spiritual warfare. Ngoba njalo from time to time ibandla liyadinga that apostolic anointing, prophetic anointing, because these two ministries, they carry that special anointing, spiritual warfare anointing. When we substitute administrators for apostles and prophets, we essentially take much of God's power away from the church. Hallelujah. Umuyifunda kahle incwadi yezenzo uzothola ukuthi ibandla kaNkuluNkulu beliprogressa kakhulu because ekulidweni komsebenzi kaNkuluNkulu, the church of the living God was led by the apostles and prophets. Therefore, bekukhona improvement, kukhona progress always. For an example, uma uPaul efika ebandleni lase Ephesus ku chapter 19 incwadi yezenzo, ufice abafundi bekhonza uNkulunkulu, but wafika observer ukuthi ekukhonzeni kwabo there were no manifestations. There were no supernatural power of God eyayibonakala ekukhonzeni kwabo. That is the reason why wababuza umbuzo ukuthi selokhu naphenduka nake namamukela na umoya ongcwele. Khumbula ukuthi ngokufika kaPaul kuleli bandla laseFesu, Paul was an apostle. Now ukufika kwakhe kwenza ukuthi aba-advance. Glory to Jesus. Aba-advance abayise ezweni lakomoya abangazange bal-experience. Ngokufika kwakhe lithi iBhayibheli after ebuza umbuzo bathi azange sizwe nakuzwa ngendaba yokuthi nje kukhona nje even umoya engcwele. Lithi iBhayibheli wababeka izandla, uma ayebabeka izandla lithi iBhayibheli behlelwa ngamandla kamoya engcwele, they begin to prophesy, they begin to speak ngezilimi ezintsha, yashintsha inkonzo. Izinto esizibonayo lezo uma ibandla lilidwa ngendlela efaneleyo. Alibonga igama lika Jesu. Liyamuva from one glory to another glory, from power to power.